everybody, welcome to my channel. For anybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back. And for anybody who's new here, hi, my name's Izzy. Now today's video is going to be quite a short and sweet video, but it is quite a highly requested video. So a while ago, when I say a while ago, it was quite some time ago because I haven't actually uploaded a video for a year, but a long while ago I did a video on my red bottom shoes and how to protect them, and a lot of people have requested me doing a video when it's time to take the protective soles off. So for anybody who is new, who's catching up, basically well over a year ago, I would say probably about a year and a half ago, sorry that rustling, I'll just close that box off, just let me chuck it. I put these protective covers on the bottom of my shoes just to protect the red bottom soles. Now, so I can say, I mean, you can see these are really battered. I have worn these. I must have had the tips, heel tips put on, gosh, probably about 4 or 5 times, if not a little bit more. You can see, yeah, as I say, you can see these have been well worn, but look, the red soles, albeit a little bit dirty around the stickers, have stayed intact. Now, just to do a comparison, I have another pair. Well, I've got, you know, I've done quite a few pairs with the protective bottoms. However, I got a new pair and I've only worn these twice, maybe 3 times. And I didn't put the protective soles on. So bearing in mind, I've worn these to death, absolutely worn these to death. In fact, can I just say, these are the most comfortable boot I have ever owned. So I wear them to death, as I say, all the time. These I've worn a total of probably 3 times, bearing in mind I've only ever worn them when I've gone to dinner. So I've barely walked much in them at all. Look at the difference. Worn a million gazillion times, worn 3 times. So you can see that the protectiveness does work. But obviously everybody wanted to know how it was going to fare when it comes to taking off the stickers. I'm a bit nervous because I don't know how it's going to go. This is the first time I've actually bothered to take them off. But we're going to give it a go. I might need my tweezers. So I've got a pair of tweezers handy. And we're going to just try and pick this off. You know, I've had people say it's going to rip all the paint off, and it may rip all the paint off. It may leave sticky residue. I don't know, but it is time, because it is looking pretty tired, that we took these off. So, you know, I had someone say, like, I'm a professional cobbler, because everybody's got, you know, an opinion online. Of course they do. And I'm not, it doesn't bother me, whatever. But, you know, I've had people go, I'm a professional cobbler. You're going to rip all the paint off. You're going to wreck the shoes. So we'll see. But here we go. I'm just taking it off, peeling it off. I'm going to take it nice and slow. So I suppose if you're, you know, if you want to, you can just buy another protective sole and put that on. Maybe I'll do that because I do love these. Okay, there is a tiny bit of peeling of paint coming here. That's also probably where there's maybe been a bit of a stone or something coming through. But can you see? It's coming off. The red is still intact. Coming off. It's quite satisfying peeling this off, actually, I have to say. But, okay. Where I am a bit concerned is the tip, because obviously the tip is a bit wrecked anyway. But that is not terrible. These, like I say, I've worn these to absolute death. You can tell because look at the tips. I must walk really weird because I've literally took away the leather there. But the sole is perfect. So that is that one. And there's no sticky residue. It doesn't feel sticky on the bottom. So my plan was always to wear them to death like I have, and then I will send them off and get them resoled with the red rubber on the bottom. So, you know, but actually maybe I'll just get another protector because that's done its job beautifully. It's making me wish I'd done that, put the protector on the black pair down there because they are looking a bit sad. Right, let's have a look at this side. So again, you can see there are areas where it's peeled anyway, and you know, the toe's messed up because I must walk really weird. But let's peel it off. I just need to get like the to that cobbler. I think you might have been wrong, my friend. So I'm just peeling it. So a little bit at a time. I mean, you've got to bear in mind, these have been on for like a year and a half, so it is going to take a little bit of peeling, and I'm trying to go steady because obviously there are areas where I would say, yeah, like I have got a tiny bit of rippage there, so if I go a bit steadier, but it's not the end of the world. So there's a tiny bit of ripping there. But, you know, if I go out now and just wear these, they're going to end up like the black pair anyway. So we'll compare them in a sec. So I'm just peeling still, peeling. That, again, not terrible. Yeah, I've got a little bit of lifting of the paint there. But if I'm going to get them resold anyway, what does it matter? The ones that have had the protector on versus the one that hasn't. These I've worn to death over and over and over and over again. These I've worn 3 times. Look at that. Versus that, now that the protector's off. And you can see like where all the little stones have been that I've walked over. So, I mean, for me, I'd give them a massive thumbs up. Massive thumbs up. You know, that is what my intention always was. I probably wear them without the protectors on and then send them away to get them resold. But then part of me thinks, maybe I'll just put another protector on, actually. Let's be honest. But yeah, that's, as I say, a short and sweet video. It was highly requested. People wanted to see how they came off. And, you know, I've had numerous messages on my previous video, so I thought I'd bring it to you guys as a way of coming back to you. So yeah, there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.